And welcome friends again with a new video about WordPress error, WordPress admin error. See, this is the website. When I'm going to open dashboard, what is showing? It's showing the page is not working, currently unable to handle this request, HTTP error 500. How to solve this? So friends, it's a common problem. Easily we can solve this problem. For that we need to go our C panel where located the all WordPress file. Just go to the public.html and you can see the all located file. In my case this is the website file. Just click error log and view it. Which files giving the error we can see that, and after that we resolve that problem. So friend, this is the error files log. We just need to go to the end and see that here is the problem. Function include file opening footer.php. In footer.php file problem is there. So if we go to the again our folder, again our all theme programming folder, we can change here our footer.php, but better to do change the whole theme folder. Just go to the WP content and here is the theme file, here is the theme folder. Just click on it. The theme name is dictate. Just rename it dictate X, and after that upload the same theme with the same name. Here is the theme. I just need to zip it, send to compress. It will make a zip file. So we just need to upload it. Yeah, it's finished. Again go to the C panel and just open the theme. Here dictate is zip. Just unzip it, extract and reload. See, here the same file is coming. Now we are going to the our WP-admin and refresh it. See, it's opening. Now it's working fine, and here one option is there, update WordPress. And so many updates are coming. We need to just update our all plugin. Okay, now go to the theme folder. Now go to the appearance and themes. It's showing dictate. Now everything, you can see, now everything is working fine. And site also working fine. Thank you so much watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Day to day I am uploading new videos about programming, about WordPress, about Magento, about CSS, HTML and etc. Thank you and take care.